Hey guys, welcome to my channel Eat Good Feel Good. In today's video I'll be sharing a delightful Indian dessert recipe. It's our very own favorite Gajar Halwa. So let's see how it's made. Wash the carrots first. Here I've taken 5 to 6 carrots. Then cut the upper and lower part of it. Next, peel the carrots and then grate it. So now let's move on to cooking. Heat the vessel first and then put some ghee. Be generous while putting ghee. In goes the grated carrots. Stir it well. Adding 1.5 cup of milk. And let it cook on medium flame for around 10 minutes. That's the view from my kitchen area. Let's see after 10 minutes. The carrots are cooked properly. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk powder. You can even add Khoya or Milkmaid. Now adding 1 cup of sugar. Lastly, put some chopped dry fruits. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. And your Gajar ka halwa is ready. It's a very easy recipe. Do give it a try. I'm sure you'll like it. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.